In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to move and copy files in SharePoint and OneDrive. Whether you're organizing your personal files or collaborating on a team project, knowing how to efficiently manage your files is essential. And good news, the process is simple and almost identical across both SharePoint and OneDrive. First things first, let's start with logging into your OneDrive account. To do this, simply navigate to the OneDrive account login page. Once logged in, you'll find yourself greeted by a well-organized interface. On the left side of the screen, locate the My Files section. This is your digital toolbox, containing all of your uploaded files ready for you to manage. Now, on to selecting the files you want to move. This is straightforward. You simply click on the file, or if you have multiple files to move, hold down the Control key while selecting each file. This allows you to perform actions on several files at once, making it much easier to organize your content. Now that you have your files selected, turn your attention to the top menu. Here, you'll notice several options available to you. What you're looking for is the Move To button. Click it, and watch as your options expand. Alternatively, you could click on the three dots, often referred to as the ellipsis, for more options. This is a great way to uncover additional actions if you're ever unsure of where to find something. Upon clicking Move To, you'll be prompted to choose a destination folder. This is where your files will be relocated. Think of it as moving files from one folder in a filing cabinet to another. When you find the right spot, click Move Here, and just like that, your files will be transferred to their new home. It's a seamless process that helps in keeping your digital environment clean and organized. Remember, this process is not vastly different in SharePoint, so once you're comfortable with the steps in OneDrive, you'll find SharePoint to be intuitive and familiar. The navigation and options are designed to be consistent, so you can effortlessly apply what you've learned across both platforms. Organizing your files properly can save you ample time and effort in the future. It reduces clutter and makes it significantly easier to locate what you need when you need it. Effective file management is one of those small tasks that have a big impact, especially when working with teams and shared documents. So there you have it, a comprehensive guide to moving and copying files in both OneDrive and SharePoint. I hope this tutorial has made things clearer and boosted your confidence in managing your files effectively. Thanks for watching, and happy organizing!